3D Part Finder, a revolutionary shape search engine for parts. In this video, we will demonstrate how 3D Part Finder finds within your company's database parts which are similar in shape to a reference part. In this case, a designer has modified a manipulator so as to increase its capacity. The diameter of the new main cylinder is larger than the previous one. Therefore, the base which supports the cylinder must be modified or replaced by one whose required interior diameter is 25 mm. The designer activates the support file so as to use it as the reference part to launch the search. He accesses the 3D Part Finder menu available as an add-on in SolidWorks. The pull-down menu offers search function, indexation, controls option, as well as online help. Here the designer immediately accesses the search function. Several options are available in the search panel to control the search and display of results. The designer launches the search. The results are quickly displayed. In this case, 3D Part Finder finds 14 similar parts displayed within a SolidWorks assembly. The blue part is the reference part used to launch the search. The gray parts correspond to the result found by 3D Part Finder. The most similar part is placed closest to the reference part, while the least similar part is placed the furthest from it. The content of this assembly can be examined and analyzed by using SolidWorks functions. Here we note that the dimensions of the first, fourth, and fifth gray parts seems adequate. However, in continuing our examination, we note that the first gray part is the most promising due to its exterior dimensions. The measuring tools typically available in SolidWorks enable us to measure parts. Here the best candidate part has a radius of 12.5 mm, which is exactly the dimension needed. The integration into SolidWorks also enables us to move the part in order to examine it. As soon as the designer deems the part adequate, he can insert it into the assembly, which is easily done thanks to the integration of 3D Part Finder into the SolidWorks environment. Here, after having activated the chosen part, the designer simply drags and drops it into the assembly. This video presented 3D Part Finder, a shape search tool within SolidWorks that provides your company with an effective strategy for the reuse of parts and the information relative to them. The deployment of 3D Part Finder is quick. It does not require the involvement of consultants or any prior classification of data. For the designer, it's quickly learned and easy to use. Lastly, we invite you to try 3D Part Finder by downloading the free trial version on our website, 3dpartfinder.com.